The overall goal of this procedure is to fabricate and characterize carbon nanotube-based nanoparticles containing a thermo-responsive encapsulation layer in aqueous solutions.
This method can help answer key questions in the nanostructure engineering field, such as how to fabricate stimuli-responsive nanoparticles and investigate in situ changes in their nanoscale structure induced by external stimuli.
Though this method can provide insight into self-assembly-based fabrication of smart nano building blocks, it can be also applied to other systems consisting of different kinds of carbonaceous nanoparticles and block copolymers.
To begin this procedure, add 0.175 grams of Polymer 407 powder in 70 grams of deuterium oxide. Then, completely dissolve the polymer in solution using a magnetic stirrer for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Separately, add 0.01 grams of single-walled carbon nanotube powder to 2 50 milliliter conical centrifuge tubes. Then, add 31.6 milliliters of the Polymer 407 solution to each tube. Following this, mix the suspension in each tube by vortex mixing for 5 to 10 minutes. When finished, place tube 1 in a water bath and secure it using a clamp stand. Dip the tip of an ultrasonicator into the suspension of tube 1. Increase the sonication power gradually from 0% until the carbon nanotubes deposited at the bottom of the tube start shattering and spreading due to the ultrasound propagated.